everybody, Tamara here, and I have got a very exciting new done-for-you system that pays you 100% commissions. Yep, you can make $50, $150, and $300. Like paid directly to you. Okay, so it is called Infinity Processing System. I'm going to show you income proof in the Facebook group, which has over 7,000 members. I'm also going to give you a sneak peek inside the dashboard so you can see exactly what you get, the different pricing plans, my bonuses, and just how easy it is to use. So before we start, I have two questions for you. Can you copy and paste done-for-you social media ads like in Facebook? Check. Number two, do you like making 100% commissions, like $300? All right, then let's go. Okay, 7,000 members in here. So let's just have a little look. Look, he just got $50 and that was a few days ago. Another $50. And check out, he has made, that was yesterday, it's another $300. So it's a very welcoming group as well. So check this out. She has made almost $5,000 a day. What? $900 in 24 hours. Or obviously stay at home mom. There's me. I just joined. Okay, so basically you'll go through here. Wow. Like $6,600 in less than 2 weeks. Crazy. I mean, you can go into the group and see for yourself. 5,400 in 10 days. Like there is loads and loads. There we go. Another $50. So yeah, let's get to it. Exactly what it is. Okay. So as I was saying earlier, it's just basically copy and pasting social media ads, and you can earn $50, $150, and $300 instant commissions. But I just wanted to show you my bonuses. So for the starter bonus, you're going to get this video course, Content Marketing, for free. I will email it to you after I see that you have joined and paid. Okay, and then for the elite bonus, you're going to get both of these, so paid traffic video course and the content marketing. And then if you go all in, so you can earn all three income streams, so $50, $150, and $300 instant commissions, called the pro level, then you're going to get the Big Commissions Bootcamp Masterclass and the other two bonuses. Okay, so you just click on here and that's going to take you, learn how $300 a day blueprint or more because it is unlimited. Okay, so there's me. So basically you get this website built for you. Okay, now it is $25 admin fee, but that's one time. Okay, so you don't have to pay for hosting or website building a website, anything like that. I prefer to build my own like opt-in pages and landing pages. So that's why when you click the button below, you'll see my own opt-in page asking about, I have two questions for you. Okay, so it is literally this easy. 3 simple steps. Get started. Just pick your level that you're comfortable with and can afford. Okay, you can always upgrade later. And then you just post ads on social media. They show you exactly how to do it. And then you get paid. So you can you can get paid through PayPal, through Stripe, whatever you like. You can have 3 different payment options. Okay, so this is for you if you're tired of struggling, feeling stuck and confused, you're a college dropout, you're a stay-at-home mom, you want just some extra income, say for Christmas coming up. It's October now, it's actually my birthday. So if you'd like to join today and get my birthday going off in a good way, I appreciate that. Okay, so let's get to the different levels. So you have the $50 starter level. Okay, again, these are just all one-time payments, okay, which goes directly to your sponsor. And then there's a one-time $25 admin website fee to build your website like the one I'm showing you right now with your details and your photo and your affiliate link, all that jazz, okay? So at the starter level, you'll get 30 marketing ads and 20 bonus image ads, winning mindset formula, art of persuasion and influence, 7-day fast action plan, 6-figure closing script, Facebook marketing strategy, 30 Facebook groups that you can, post those social media ads in, a Craigslist marketing strategy, and Facebook support. Okay, so that is the $50 level. And then the elite level, same kind of deal, but now you can earn $50 and $150 commissions, okay? And then you basically go from 30 to 100 pre-written ads and 40 bonus images. You also get more training, and they also double the Facebook groups. So you also get Instagram marketing, YouTube automation, how to generate 2 to 5 sales per day on automation, and how to create your 6-figure automated funnel. Now, pro level, which is what I joined at, because I can now earn commissions on all 3 levels, okay? And like, look at the jump from 30, you're now going to be getting 200 pre-written ads and 60 bonus image ads. So, and you'll also get now 100 Facebook groups plus extra training. You're going to get the 30 email follow-ups that are done for you. Just copy and paste them. You're going to get TikTok marketing training, get access to our VIP training live chats. I just said the 30 days of email marketing, how to automate your social media growth with one powerful strategy, live trainings, and also you're going to get to choose from a free hotel holiday as well as hotel and restaurant discounts. Boom. Now, you want us to see what level is right for you. So this is this $50 starter level, okay? So if you were to basically, get one of these a day, that's going to earn up to an extra $1,400 a month on the starter level, okay? Now, obviously, the more people you bring in, the more you're going to make. On the elite level, now you're going to, if you can bring in one a day, that's $150. That's going to equal $4,200 monthly. If we bring in 10, all the way up to $42,000 a month, right? On the elite level. Now, on the pro level, as I said, if you can afford it, I definitely recommend to do that, because now check it out. Just doing one a day, that is going to bring in $8,400 extra a month. You can bring in 10 a day, all the way up to $84,000 a month. Okay. And like I said, these payments go directly to you. All right, now let's have a little look inside the dashboard. So depending on which level you have, like I said, I have the pro, so I have access to everything, okay? So obviously you're going to watch this little video first, just give you a little rundown. And then this shows you how to create your payment buttons. So on my page here, right here, again, these are directed to my Stripe account. I will do a training on myself, how to set up your Stripe payments. Okay, so then you just put your details in there. And once you pay, I put the link that will send you to your dashboard, okay? On whichever level you get. You basically have everything here. And like I said, so if you did want to join at the starter or elite level and then, make some money and then upgrade, then you can do that. I believe you have 30 days from when you first join to upgrade for free, and then it's $15, one time, okay? So basically everything is here, how to do everything. These are the pre-written ads, 7-day action plan. Everything you need is literally here, okay? All of these have their own courses, and then this is the extra bonus with the free hotel holiday, okay? So this is just an example of some of the holidays you can choose from. That's not too bad, right? And there's also restaurant discounts as well to thousands of different restaurants. So we got these are 4 days and 3 nights in different USA cities. So lots to choose from. Or you want to go to the UK, where I used to live for 20 years. Hawaii, Argentina, Australia. I mean, there's lots, okay? There's Brazil, Dominican Republic, Fiji, Germany. I won't go through them all now, but you'll get the drift. So once you get the pro level, that's where you get the extra holiday. Okay, so literally that is, I think, all I have to tell you about. I just literally joined the other day, so I don't have any of my personal income proof to show you yet, but stay tuned, which is why it's very important you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I do updates. I just wanted to get this video out ASAP so I can add it to my bridge page. Okay, so have yourself an awesome day. I'm out to celebrate my birthday. All right, we'll see you soon. Cheers.